Let's go to the turtle sanctuary. Turtle, turtle. Tony, come in. All right, let's go fucking play with some turtles. Hola.
Hola.
Están ahí. Two nests.
We got two?
No, just one.
Just the one? Amazing.
Yes, yep.
It's right on there.
Is it that?
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Did Adam show you the picture yesterday of him taking one out on the
Oh,
surfboard?
no way.
Cheers! You gotta go that way.
Buddies.
Whoop! You now who is so excited. Eating, relaxing.
Waiting for them to get.
It's like, put me down, put me down.
Oh, buddy.
Stop slapping.
I'm a cruise.
It's gonna be one right by your foot, right here. Come on, little buddy. Stuck in the sand. So how many were in that bucket, do you think?
¿Cuánto tuvimos hoy? ¿Cuánto tuvimos hoy? 200.
Somewhere.
Around 200.
Oh, nice. There you go.
When the water starts going up off of it,
Yeah, the tide just stuck.
yeah. What? That was so
Bye-bye. Gracias, amigo. We're down here at our buddy Scott's at the Turtle Sanctuary, just down from our house. We just let go about 200 baby turtles. So usually trying every other day or a little bit better than that to get as many in as possible. Super fun when you can just walk down here 2 seconds and help out with the conservation and do this kind of stuff. It's really fun. It's the first time for the girlfriend seeing all this. Definitely more to come.
Get a nest that doesn't work.
Yeah, we're not going to get it from you anymore. They didn't work this time,
Yeah.
so what's the point?
So we have had no failures in a total nest, maybe one a year.
I'd be curious to see what other numbers are in other places, to see if they're anywhere remotely close to that. What are your ears doing there?
Saying it's surfy.
They go through and they check each bag and they run a time thing, right? So they start checking them at a certain date. See where they're at. And then every day they go through it, feel them out and feel them out. So these ones obviously are not. Right? Start to find it. Good. Well, that was fun, babe.
Yeah, that's sweet.
That's awesome. Down, we'll do that again. Bags. Okay. Gracias, amigo.
He's so exhausted. Poor little gaffer.
Well, the tide's pulling out, so it's amazing. See, we found a little straggler. Usually find one or two after we let them all go. Try to get them back out as good as we can. Good eye on that one. I almost stepped on it. Is that one? Or no? Turtle? Same one? Yeah, that snake was right here last night. Went right up here past this log. Oh, I might have to take the little guy in. Might have to take him in, get him in the water. What's that? I'll take him in. I'll walk him out a little bit. Here we go. We'll get you back out with all your buddies. There's always a few that end up back on shore just because of the big waves, so we're going to get him back out a little farther. You're just getting rocked. Come on. I want you to live as much as you do. Here you go, big guy. You're not letting go of my hand. You need to let go of my hand. There you go. Bye. There you go, bud. See you later. You're going out now. There you go. You got it. Swim, little buddy. You got it. You got it. Keep going. Good boy. You'll figure it out. Get out past this wave a bit. Ah, there he is. It's cold in here anyways. Always tough when they're, some of them get washed up and we just kind of stick around after sunset. Grab them as the tide's coming out and pick them up and walk them back out, or we'll throw them on our surfboards and we'll get them out past the break, and then that way they got a clean, clear shot. So, but our turnover rate for our sanctuary right here is absolutely phenomenal. It's actually rated the best in Nicaragua. A lot of biologists and marine scientists come here to do all their studies, the different breeds that we have and their rates and everything. So it's actually really good. Hi, Spanky. Hi, buddy. Hi, bud. So yeah, it's good Lord, the thing's dirty. All right, wash this off and we'll wash this off. We'll go make something to eat and call it a night. That's a pretty good Christmas, man.